Hi, my name is Nikita Sajeev, and I am a current summer scholar and an incoming postbaccalaureate fellow with SENS Research Foundation. I joined Dr. Snyder's lab in late June, and I'll be there through June of next year. So currently I'm working on a couple different projects, but the one that I've spent a lot of this past summer on is using cerebral organoids and kind of looking at inflammation in that model. So inflammation is really important in a lot of different aging conditions in the brain, whether it be like Alzheimer's disease or Parkinson's or stroke. So kind of trying to understand how that inflammation occurs, especially in cerebral organoids, which are basically mini brains. They're really interesting because they're really representative of the human brain. So I'm using cerebral organoids and trying to understand how inflammation occurs and what different cell types are affected and how they're affected when inflammation occurs. I graduated from Temple University this last May with a degree in neuroscience, and I've kind of spent the last couple of years really focused on the brain and how the brain changes over age. That's actually kind of why I got interested in aging as like a research interest, because whether you're talking about like any different neurological condition or a lot of different like aging related disorders, they all come down to how our body changes as we grow older. As research progresses, we do get closer and closer to, I guess, decreasing the burden associated with age. And you know, as technology improves, we get closer to that future and just improving the lives of patients so that they can just live longer and happier and healthier lives. Honestly, this past summer has been amazing. It's been one of the best like educational experiences ever. But also like personally, I've got to meet some awesome people, my co-interns, the mentors in my lab, and my PI. They all have something to share with me. And it's just great being in such a supportive and fun learning environment. So I really enjoyed my time here, and I'm really excited to spend the next year like learning and just growing as a researcher, scientist, and person. Thank you to the donors for making this program possible.